Hello everyone, this is Vipul Purohit and you're watching my YouTube channel. I welcome you to the another session of practicals of synthesis of organic compounds, the simple methods of synthesis. In the previous video, I had explained you about the acetylation of aromatic primary amine. Here, in this particular session, I am going to discuss with you all the preparation of iodoform from methyl ketone. So let us, my dear friends, try to understand what is iodoform all about. Iodoform is having a formula CHI3. Next is when you talk about methyl ketone. So methyl ketone are those compounds which have a C double bond O CH3 group. Okay, it is this COCH3 group which is responsible for the formation of iodoform. So I'll first of all explain you the procedure behind the preparation of iodoform, and then I'll explain you the reaction involved. Now, to begin with, when I talk about methyl ketone, the very first example which comes into my mind, and that is acetone. Okay, CH3COCH3. Okay, acetone is a liquid, the boiling point of which is going to be 56 degrees Celsius, and therefore we say it's a volatile liquid. So in step number 1, what we do is we take 2 cm cube of methyl ketone, or what we call it as acetone, as one of the example coming under methyl ketone, in a conical flask, that is CF, to which we are going to add 10 cm cube of water, to which we are going to add 10 cm cube of 10% NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. Alright, this is step number 1. We take a conical flask. With the measuring cylinder, you take around 2 cm cube of acetone and then transfer it into the conical flask. Add around 10 cm cube of water and 10 cm cube of 10% of NaOH. Okay. Now, the next thing what you need to do is, we are going to add iodine solution into this. Okay, we are going to add what? Iodine. Till what? Till the color persists. Color of iodine is going to remain permanently. Okay. Shake the conical flask. Next is, heat this conical flask on a water bath for around 15 minutes, the temperature of which is going to be around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, when we cool it, it results in the formation of yellow crystals of iodoform, which I write it down as CHI3. Next step is filter, give some washings with water, dry it, and then finally weigh it, so which becomes a quantitative aspect of this particular synthesis. Okay, so 2 cm cube of acetone in a conical flask, 10 cm cube of water, 10 cm cube of 10% of NaOH. Add into it iodine till the color of the iodine persists. Okay, remains permanent. Shake with after even shaking it. Put it on a water bath. Heat it for around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Alright, for around 15 minutes. Next is remove the conical flask. Bring it out of the water bath, cool it, and you can see the yellow crystals being developed. You filter it, give some washings, dry it, and then finally weigh it. Okay, this is the simple procedure of iodoform formation. What is the reaction involved behind this entire synthesis of iodoform? We are going to take acetone, as I said, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. It is being treated with sodium hydroxide. and iodine. So that is going to result in CHI3, and plus you get a carboxylate ion, that is CH3COONA, that is sodium carboxylate, sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So this is the yellow crystals of iodoform which is going to be obtained. Okay, so this is the reaction is acetone with NaOH and gives you what? Iodoform. Now what is the purpose behind the synthesis of iodoform is? It is an integral part of a first aid box. Okay, generally in the hospitals and all, it is being used as an antiseptic for healing of wounds. Okay, so this is one of the primary objective or primary purpose or application of iodoform. Alright, so I hope you have understood this, the synthesis of iodoform very well. I am very sure you have also understood the reaction involved in the synthesis. So thank you so very much for being with me.